Hello, and welcome back to Shiba Inu Land, where we bring you the most recent and intriguing Shiba Inu news. We're giving away 100 million Shiba Inu coins to those who are watching. All you have to do is upvote, subscribe, comment hashtag Shiba Inu, and watch the video to the end to be eligible. The winners will be picked next month and publicized on the community page of the channel. Its theory is likely to occur in September and has been one of the much-awaited upgrades in the history of the crypto realm. The switch from POW to POS will fundamentally alter how things work. The new configuration will make the network more inexpensive, faster, and energy efficient. Proof of stake is subject to different criteria than proof of work. Validators will take the place of miners. The entire theory of network will undergo a massive change. Today we're going to talk all about how a theory emerged that will impact Shiba Inu Coin. Before we get to our topic, let's take a look at the chart and see what the price of Shiba is doing on the 14th of September, shall we? Shimino price shows a strong adherence to the immediate support level, despite the recent crash. Investors need to be careful, however, as in its current position sheet could go either way. She'd be surprised that it looks too boring to trade on a lower time frame, as it seems to hover mindlessly above the 118.10 millions of $1 support level. This has been the case for a little over a month now, in which it has created a string of marginally inclining higher lows. A support trend line can be drawn using these swing lows and coincides closely with the 118.10 millions of $1 support level, creating a confluence as Shib edges closer to retesting this barrier. It could also provide an opportunity to short, especially if it breaks below. In such a case, investors can expect she'd be surprised to trigger a 27% decline to 9,310 millionths of $1, which is the start of an area of imbalance, aka fair value gap, that extends down to 8,310 millions of $1, while the short term is bearish. No doubt with meme coins such as Shib, investors need to play the long game. The US after shipping unit price revisits the FVG, extending from 83 to 93.10. Millions of $1 traders' thoughts may turn to the equal highs formed at 179.10 millions of $1. From a market maker's perspective, the buy-stop liquidity resting above the equal highs at 179.10 millions of $1 presents a tantalizing next objective. As such, the FVG could provide the perfect buy zone for traders looking to enter the market and speculate on the next bullish move. If she retests 179.10 millions of $1, it will constitute a 95% gain and is likely where the upside could be kept for the dog in crypto. A daily candlestick close below 8,710 millions of $1 without a quick recovery will threaten this long-term play. However, a breakdown of the 8,310 millions of $1 would invalidate the bullish thesis and potentially trigger a crash to 7,410 millions of $1. Now let's get back to the topic. The switch from POW to POS will fundamentally alter how things work. The new configuration will make the network more inexpensive, faster, and energy efficient. Proof of stake is subject to different criteria than proof of work. Validators will take the place of miners. The entire theory of network will undergo a massive change. This will eventually have an impact on everything that is powered by the Ethereum network, including Shiba Inu Shib, which has emerged as one of the most popular meme coins with a whole lot of developments planned for the year ahead. As the merge is coming closer, here are some of the possible changes that could happen to Shib and its ecosystem. A theory emerges and Shiba Inu theory emerges. We'll see the beacon chain merge with the main net. The primary and ultimate change that will be induced with emergence will be the network's transition from proof of work to proof of stake. However, this transition will not hamper the normal functioning and operations of Shiba Inu. The primary change will be the process of validating the transactions. Miners will be replaced by validators, which will change the process of how each transaction is validated. The merge claims to be an environmentally friendly consensus, and this change might be evident in cheap transactions, as it might cause some delay post-merge. This is just a possibility, as a successful merge could not hamper the transactions, but might take some time to settle in Ethereum sharding and its effects on the theory of sharding. A work in progress that is expected to be implemented in 2023 is said to improve scalability. Ethereum 2.0 is anticipated to improve transaction speed and the capacity of the network. The Ethereum network has a long history of higher gas fees that has disappointed the ETH community. A possible sharding launch is likely to reduce the gas fees, which could be happy news for all shareholders that are worried about higher ETH gas fees. Shibarium could turn out to be a relief as it can help in minimizing the gas fees with its transaction bundling capability. All these are just possibilities, as the outcome and effects can only be analyzed post-Ethereum emerges. Moreover, BU has been showing greater development throughout the year. The bundle of developments to be deployed by the SIB team has been such that it does not expect the merge whatsoever, as it is capable of bringing up its growth on its own. The greater effects of the Ethereum merge can be analyzed once it goes live in September. The possible outcome of the merge can't be exactly predicted, as it's something to be evaluated throughout the process. If we talk about Ethereum whales, Ethereum whales continue to buy up Shiba Inu. However, the total amount of this meme coin in their wallets has diminished, and now they hold less than $200 million, and ETH whales grabbed $33 million in Shib. In a recent tweet, while Stats crypto data company, which polls focus on the 100 largest wallets on the Ethereum chain, announced that over the past 24 hours, these whales have added $33.2 million worth of Shiba Inu, the second largest canine cryptocurrency by market cap after Dogecoin. Now these top 100 wallets are holding a total of $179,344,952 and cheap, compared to $150,185,634. On Friday, whale Shib holdings shrink by more than 50%. Data provided by WellStats shows that compared to just recently, the total amount of Shib held by Ethereum whales has seen a drastic decrease. As early as last week on August 3rd, these wallets held more than $600 million worth of Shiba Inu. Roughly similar amount was spotted in their wallets by WildStats on August 7th. That was 10% of the total Shib supply in circulation. By the time of this writing, this large stash has shrunk to nearly $180 million, as reported above. Besides, overnight Shib has lost its leading position on the top 10 list of whales holdings. Now it sits on the second spot, while Lucas holds the first position there. Shiba Inu Coin has continued to grow hand in hand with the token burns. However, as its supply decreases and demand increases, its price should rise. Ideally, in fact, many investors have become millionaires by investing in this meme coin. This July, Shiba Inu developer Satoshi Kusama wrote in a blog post that progress on Shibarium, the platform's Layer 2 protocol, is on track. The update will allow users to move assets with minor gas fees, empowering microtransactions. Overshoot, a new PayStep Shia stablecoin, is also expected to be released this year. A new token treat is also upcoming. It'll be used as a reward token on Shiba Inu-based metaverse and games. As we can see, there's a lot of anticipation associated with the innovations brought forward by Shiba Inu Coin. Even so, there's a lot of uncertainty regarding its future. Investors should therefore conduct their own research before investing in the currency. That's all for today. Also, we would like to mention that this is not a channel intended specifically to provide financial advice, and we do not ask you to invest in any company. This is merely a channel directed towards bringing educational content to your doorsteps. With that in mind, before you invest in anything, we recommend you do thorough, wide-spectrum research on the topic. We hope you liked this video. Let us know in the comments below if you're a Shiba holder, and make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time at Shiba Inu Coin. Bye.